Okay, I'm taking it on my own. I'm just going to refresh a minute because someone's been talking. Like talking to... Is anyone there? Rain, rain, you appreciate it. Okay. Filter, top chat. So, the rain is calming down. You hear the rain? Listen. Hey Jay, you alright Jay? I can just hear the rain. It's quite light at the moment. You only can just hear it. It was heavy. You missed a bit. I'm always missing bits. There we go. How is everybody? Hit that like button if you haven't already. I want 20 likes before I end my live. Okay. There we go. Yeah. It's starting to look nicer in here, so it's getting a bit dusty. It's time to get dark as well, if you haven't noticed. It's starting to get dark. Christmas is coming, right? And I have no idea what I want for Christmas. I'm thinking a new phone, a metal detector. So I want to get a metal detector. Or, because I want 2 phones. It's doing my head in having 1 phone. Loads of makeup and loads of clothes, basically. I got a mirror already. I got myself the other day with a light on it and everything. I haven't opened it yet because it's a Christmas present for myself. But there we go. I need to open it, get it out. Or should I just wait until Christmas so it's more special? No, exactly right. Okay. Like, I got this, right? It's pretty cool, I'll show you now. Up here, what you have to do is go like that, and it opens itself. I've only got my glasses in there. The sunglasses, only cheap ones, so if they get robbed, you're only looking at, you know, it's really cheap. You won't even, they're prescription ones, so they're useless for anyone else but me. But you just close it like that. It's massive. But guess what? It's got a fan on the back, and if you put your drinks in here, it's a fridge. It's actually a fridge. So you put your drinks in here and they're freezing. They keep cold and it's chill. You know, when the van's on and that, it keeps it really cold when you're driving and stuff. So it's a perfect fridge. I absolutely love my fridge in the car. So there we go. I got a fridge in my car. Hey Lee, you right? Need site to go on. You know who it. New site to go on, and you know who it. Quality. What's quality? What are you on about, Paul? So wait a minute. So yeah, so that's my fridge